Here's 3 ways to do a bouncy ball. Method 1. First, set some keyframes for the location by pressing I and moving the ball with G. Then in the graph editor, select the keyframes, press T and choose Bounce. Method 2. Set the ground plane to rigid body and make it passive. Reduce the friction and increase bounciness to 1. Set the ball to rigid body and keep it as active. Reduce the friction and increase bounciness to 0.5. Method 3. Enable collision for the ground plane, enable soft body physics for the ball, turn off soft body goal, and set bending to 10. Turn on stiffness.